Assalamu alaikum everyone. Myself Hassan Mutir Rahman. My last ID 4 digit 1947. Now I describe about designing quantum algorithm. Design consideration, performance metrics, circuit deep gate fidelity and their impact on execution time. Interfacing, integration of classical and quantum system for seamless operation. Flexibility, algorithm must adapt to various hardware configuration and capabilities. Human role, importance of skilled roles such as quantum software architects and domain engineers in the design process. Now I describe about challenging in quantum computing implementation. Technical challenge, limited coherence times and high errors rates in current quantum system. Resource accessibility, dispar- uh, disparitize in access to advanced quantum technology and platform skill gap. Need for trained professional in quantum programming and algorithm development. Evaluation of architecture. Discuss method for evaluation quantum architecture based on practitioner feedback and industry standard. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone. My next team member discuss more and more.